Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is March 3rd of 2021, and today we are going to look at Bitcoin USD. This is on the weekly chart. This is the Stochastic RSI. Now the Stochastic is in blue, and the average of the Stochastic is in the red. And what I want to point out today is just a little pattern that I've noticed happening, and we haven't seen this similar move happening since 2017. We know what happened in 2017 with Bitcoin. That was the start of the big bull run move, right? So if we go back and look at Bitcoin, which we will in just a moment, I can point out what's happening, but I want to show you this because I think it could be important. Doesn't have to mean anything, but sometimes patterns can give you some foreshadowing of what's to come. So let's go ahead and look at it. So look at the time frame. This is big time scale here. So this is a year just from here to here. Now, the momentum of these moves on the weekly are big time. Weekly Stochastic RSI is a big indicator. It's one of a few that I use to actually make trades, enter and exit. So let's look at what's going on right now. As you can see from our most previous move, we started dropping early January. This is just Stochastic RSI is the momentum of the move that's based on the RSI, okay? So that's all. It's just kind of the momentum, if you want to think of it like that, if you're new. So the momentum is running out of Bitcoin. This is when altcoins can run a little bit, but for the most part, Bitcoin's losing steam a little bit. So look at the red line. This is your average. This is kind of what you want to look for in the big moves. So look at how it's stopped here. And why is that important? Well, look how many times it's done that before. It hasn't done that in quite a long time. Look at, so after it's peaked out, right, really high, it almost always drops down to the bottom level, like around 20. That's where the shaded region is. Generally, when it's over here, lots of momentum, good power moves. When it's down here, it's struggling. So look at the red, come all the way to the bottom. At the top, coming all the way down to the bottom. Start at the top, come all the way down to the bottom. Do you see that? Start at the top, all the way to the bottom. When is the last time that we were way up high and didn't come all the way to the bottom on the average stochastic? Top, all the way to the bottom. Top, almost all the way to the bottom. Not quite. February 2017, 4 years ago. It's been 4 years since Bitcoin has done something like this. Pretty rare feat. So what happened in February of 2017? I'm glad you asked. Let's go take a look. February 2017, Bitcoin on the weekly chart. This was kind of the start of the giant run, right? We had another almost year of just massive Bitcoin increase. The whole market, right? The whole market was doing very well. Starting, yeah, okay, you could say it started back here, but I mean, this is really started getting out of hand, right? February 17. So now we're back on the weekly stochastic again, and look at what it's doing. It's trying to figure out and gain strength. Look at the trend line I've drawn here. You're getting higher low after higher low. For the most part, right? You're having your bottoms are increasing. That is a rare thing to find, right? And look what we've been doing for about a year now, year and a half. Look at this. Very similar. Something to keep in mind. That's I don't see that being negative news. Maybe neutral, maybe it means nothing, but could be the start of another big run. So, big picture, some things that not a lot of channels or any channels talk about. That's what we like to focus on here. Big picture time frames. If you're new here, my name is Chase. Join us, like, subscribe. We make 10 new videos a week. We do a live stream. We'll probably do a live stream this afternoon. So, yep, we have Telegram, Twitter, Patreon. If you want to learn a little bit more, learn more technical stuff like this, join us there. And I will see you on the next video. I appreciate your time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one.